are here at SM Ecoland and we are now heading to the department store. Kay mangita ni siyang og shoes, black shoes for myself because ambot daw sa akong black shoes, guys. So, fit check muna tayo. Wow naman! Galing! Ang fit check here at SM. We got it all for you. Okay, bye. So, see you mamaya, guys. Isod ka ayo mangita og ano, guys, like size 5 because I am size 5 and mostly sa mga shoes is 6 lang siya hukog, so this is struggle. Thank you to my sister, guys. Bayaran doon ako siya kung magkasweldo po. Ay po. My sister, guys. Ako ka na lang. Ulaw pitan. Siya dyan ang nag-git-gitan. Kaya kayo. Ibalitan na guys siya. Ako kayo nag-git. Sobrang. Next is pupunta na kami ngayon sa Hautang. Because yun po yung isa rin, second purpose namin kung bakit kami pumunta ng downtown. Actually, we are from Korean. So, kung maadto magugag downtown, guys, it's really an effort na good pag maadto ta diri akit. No, hindi naman gusto na nakalayo, pero kapoy kisa doon with all the pollution and all. So, yeah. What is this game? Hi guys, so kita na konti ko Milano there, oh. Look at that, guys. So muna siya ko nakita sa TikTok and gani so muna siya nakita sa Kiko Milano and very pricey siya, pero soon bibili rin ako niya. So we are done with our agenda sa SM. So we are heading to the Mango to eat sticky mango sticky rice. And alam mo, ito na siya ang SM, guys. Char. Follow me here on YouTube channel. Yes, because actually, dili ko kabalo mo sikat-sikat sa SM. So, dapat na i-Google Map ang SM sa lahat yung diri sa mall. Para, you know, mag-Google Map na lang ta diri, guys. So, yes, goodbye. See you at Hautang. Hi. Here. So Ichang is my companion for today's video. Kumain ka, Chang. Go, go, go. One here. Hello! We are eating here at Hautang, and this is my vlog too, which I am going to share with you one of my life stories. Let's eat. Okay, can I just say how yummy their food is? Ang meat nila is napakalambot. Beef lang ang gipalit or gipili, guys, because beef ang dili kain na mo ginakaon sa balay. So, beef na lang always. Cheese ball. So, it has cheese inside. So, let's try it. So, mainit siya, guys. Like, OMG. Look. amazing. Look. There is a cheese inside. Over there. Now let's try to dip it here. The best. Like super. This is the salted egg. Try it. OMG. It's so ano guys. It's so mainit inside, char. Init kasi guys. Kasi mainit talaga siya inside. Na feeling mo, di na siya init, pero ang sunod niya init pa rin kayo. So, you need to be careful. Wow. Amazing. Okay, we can also have lettuce if you want. Maraw siya ka na some gipsal. So dip in the sauce. Hi, we are done eating sa Hautang and we are now going to somewhere down the road. So, hello. Hi guys! So, we are heading to Big House. Asa? Big House. Sa Big House kami pupunta guys. And kami ay naglalakad na lang yung Ichang kasi we are very busog from Hautang. So, Chang, what can you say about Hautang's food?
Good as always.
Yeah, it's so yeah, consistency is the key talaga kaya mabalik-balik yung tao sa Hautang. Di ba, Chang? So, most especially sa kanila beef. Yung beef nila is so good. Like, it's so malambot, so soft, and all the side dishes are good din talaga. It's superb. So, ano bang other words ng superb or good? What's the synonym of those words? Tirik na tirik ang araw at kami ay naglalakad dito at wala kaming payo.
Dili ba itong ano, katong
So,
na mga
punta kami sa
cosmetics, katong na mga Dior, mga YS.
So, for the information po sa yung lahat ng nanonood, nasa unang subdivision po kami ni Ichang and this is the subdivision na maraming mga restaurant. So, it is an area or a place in Davao City where you can find lots of restaurant, lots of food hub. So, this is your first. Big house. Magbudol mi karong adawa like OMG. It's not healthy. It's not healthy na pumunta ng ganito because magbudol ka. So, goodbye. Guys, anawan ng station. Dagang ka siya bit-bit. So, deserve jud na ni. Yes. Oh my God. Di mo eat siya. Grabe. Murag dago kami nagasto karong adlaw. So, bibita mo kaon og pila ka days. Daw mo gasto og pila ka days. Pero, you know what? Babalik naman ang pera. Babalik naman ang pera. So, laban lang. So, we're waiting for a taxi here. So, sana po may taxi para po kami ay makauwi na talaga diretso sa bahay. So, I think yan lang po for today's video. Yan na po ang vlog namin ni Christian Maurice. So, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog with ano naman, with Dudong na naman or with Kay or kung sino yung available na kapatid ko, guys. So, goodbye everyone! Say bye, Chang! Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!